First case, let's see. Brittany Howyer. Okay, your attorney, your case has been reset. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. Do we have any, no, please. Alvin Bryant? Okay, Mr. Bryant, your full name is Alvin Bryant?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Bryant?
I'm doing pretty good today. How about yourself, man?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Bryant, I think the last time you were here, well, your case was reset for you to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
Not yet, sir. I'm a disabled veteran. I'm on a limited income, but I should have enough funds to secure one by next month.
Okay. So I think this is your second reset. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're gonna give you last reset.
Yes, sir.
So you get a time to hire your attorney. Give us a reset date. April 20. What's the date? Okay. The case will be reset to April 27th of 2026. Mr. Bryant, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you.
You are. Latoya Elam. Miss Elam, your full name is Latoya Annette Elam. How are you doing, Miss Elam? That's good. Now, Miss Elam, I see here your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire your attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
Not yet, because he was on a trial docket and I was supposed to go see him today at 3.
Okay. Give us a reset.
April 27th.
So you're gonna see your attorney today?
That's on a Friday.
Hmm.
It's a Friday, no.
What? Why you need it on a Friday?
Yeah, because I
Okay.
came down here.
Just
Okay, I'm fine.
she gonna put you on a Friday.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Gonna get your reset date from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that second chair on the wall. Devin Jamal Hardy. Okay, who is Devin Jamal Hardy? Who is Devin Jamal Hardy?
Check.
Okay, you're not,
Mr. Bryant?
sir, you can't come up here with him, unless you're his attorney. You're not his attorney. Okay, now, Mr. Hardy, your full name is Devin Jamal Hardy, is that correct? You have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hardy, how are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Hardy, your case was reset to give you opportunity to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
Nah, she on vacation.
Okay, so you talked to an attorney?
Not really, but she said that she was gonna get back with me. Well, I talked to her, yeah, but she on vacation today.
Okay, so you just need a little bit more time to hire your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give us a reset date.
April 27th.
Okay, this case will be reset to April 27th to give you opportunity to hire your attorney. You're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall.
April.
Did Caleb Franklin show up?
Oh, he's not on the document.
Who's not on the docket?
Oh, okay. Oh, I'll take care of it. Okay.
Mystery has the cheat for, what it was causing and all that.
Okay. Good enough. Thank you, Andrew.
So I think it was bedtime already, but that was the other guy, grandfather was two to that.
Okay.
Grab them to, Miss Mosby. They can, go talk in the hallway or in the back.
Fly outside and speak with them.
This is cause number 26CCCR 0520. Case is style the state of Texas versus Derek W. Hayward. Mr. Hayward, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Hayward, how are you doing?
I'm doing, sir, and yourself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Hayward. You're represented in your case by attorney Christy Cawthon. Ms. Cawthon, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
That's good. And the state is represented by attorney Farrah Nixon. And Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. Now, Mr. Hayward, it has been brought to the court's attention that Mr. Cornelius Williams, who is the prosecutor in this case, he will be dismissing your case. Okay, so this case is going to be dismissed today. And if there is not anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you have a blessed day.
If you do this.
All right. And you can follow the bailiff.
All right, y'all have a God bless you.
All right.
God bless you.
All right. All right. Thank you. Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 2 cases. Cause numbers 25 CCCR 2545 and cause number 25 CCCR 1794. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Martin Enrique Gamez Jr. Mr. Gamez, is that your full name?
That's correct.
How are you doing, Mr. Gamez?
Doing fine, sir. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Gamez, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Mr. Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. And the state is represented in these cases by Attorney Cornelius Williams. And Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor. And how are you and your lovely staff?
We're doing fine. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome.
And Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Gamez's cases?
Mr. Gamma has rejected the plea offer, so we need to put it on the trial docket.
Okay,
I think I might be missing some discovery and he's got 2 cases. I might be missing discovery, or I think I am missing
Well,
discovery
if-
in one of them.
if
But
you,
anyway.
if you're missing discovery, what we can do, we can reset it on a pretrial conference docket first, and then after that, we can put it on a trial docket. Pretrial conference docket will give you time to get the discovery. And then you can get the discovery, go over it with your client, and then we can reset it for trial, if you want to do it that way. Or unless you just want to reset it for trial.
I know Mr. Gomez has had this case for a long time, but
We want to reset it.
what do you want to do? You want
These
to do
cases are
pretrial?
not that old.
Okay, well, pretrial conference docket probably be good, Judge.
Okay,
So what is it that you exactly need? You need the,
I need the
Protective order?
protective order,
Okay.
yes.
give us a
Um,
reset
Because
date,
that's,
April 27th.
one of the cases is allegedly violating that, and I don't have a copy of what he,
I can let the court know now, we're gonna elect on a terroristic threat with the, violation of water protection to follow, but I will give you that. So what's your announcement on the terroristic threat?
Isn't it? Well, are we putting both of them on the pretrial conference docket, right?
I said they were like for 2 different days, is why I say the state will elect on the terroristic threat, Judge. It happened first, then a violation of order of protection,
well,
while I tended to discovery on the violation of the
Understand.
order of
that's
protection.
not, I don't know that that's,
That is how, that's the.
I mean, that's, I understand, but I guess what I'm saying is, I think in that up to you to decide which one you want to prosecute or
Right.
which one
To
to
elect
try,
one.
so.
That's
What
why I
it-
say
That's
which one I
fine with
elected
me.
on.
Oh, yeah, it's not in election because they're not
Right.
out of the same criminal episode. It's
Right,
not in,
right.
in the same information. It's 2 different cases, 2 different
Correct.
dates. In fact,
There's only discovery.
the late, yeah. Yeah, they're 2 different days. They just took a while to file a protective order for some reason. Okay. We will reset both of these cases for pretrial conference on April the 27th of 2026.
Sir.
Okay? You're gonna get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Now, let's do this here. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in clause number 26 CCCR 0087. Case of style, the state of Texas versus Deja Xavier Nicole Fairman. Miss Fairman, is that your full name? Hold on a minute. Thank you, delay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0764. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Freddie Cornelius Zen the third. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Mr. Zen?
I'm fine, and yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Zen. You're represented by your attorney, Attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove, how are you doing?
Real good, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Grove, what is your announcement in Mr. Zen's case?
Mr. Zen would like to set his case for trial. Your Honor.
Okay. Gonna reset this case for trial. Give us
Bench
a,
and jury, I'm sorry.
hmm?
I just was asking Mr. Grove, bench or jury?
Bench trial or jury trial?
I believe it's jury trial.
Jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
We may wanna, I'll talk to him about that further, but I think now we wanna ask for a jury trial.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to April 27th of 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Zen, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And Mr.
Thank you.
Grove, you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And Mr. Okay, Darling. Okay. Let me see, I might have to, oh, here we go. Charles me. CH. We go. Dang, this thing
What are
here.
your central terms? What are your terms?
It's time, sir.
I mean, the,
2 days time, sir.
Give me his affidavit of interest. Okay, this is cause number, turn this on. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0526. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Charles Henry Darling. Mr. Darling, is that your full name? Mr. Darling, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Darling, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Darling, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Darling? You doing all right? Now, Mr. Darling, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton. Ms. Carlton, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
And Ms. Carlton, do you waive a record in Mr. Darling's case?
I do.
Mr. Darling, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Charles Henry Darling, on or about April 12th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving with license suspended, with license invalid, with previous convictions, suspended without financial responsibility. Mr. Darling, do you understand what you have been charged with? And to this charge, Mr. Darling, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Okay, Mr. Darling, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials CD that's on a line next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature? On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Now, Mr. Darling, I also have before me on paper a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Mr. Darling, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Darling, are you a citizen of the United States?
State offer State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Carlton, you have advised and counseled Mr. Darling. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Darling, your attorney, Ms. Carlton, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation? Has she provided full, effective, and competent representation? Okay, Mr. Darling, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It would be 2 days, time served, time actually served, and request that all court costs be taxed and retired, Judge.
Okay, now, what's the court cost?
287.
287. Okay, Mr. Darling, the state is offering that you serve 2 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 2 days in the Jefferson County Jail. The court cost in this case is $287. You have 2 days credit that goes toward that. That leaves a balance of $87. Are you able to pay the $87? Okay, now, Mr. Darling, I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Would you hand that document to your client? Mr. Darling, do you recognize that document? And is that your signature on the next page of that document? Is everything in that document still true and correct today? Okay, Mr. Darling, the court is going to find that you're indigent. Based on the finding of indigency, the $87 balance will be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Do you understand that? Now, Mr. Darling, do you understand the state's offer? Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Darling, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Darling, just have a seat in that chair, wait for your name to be called because she has to make some adjustments on the judgment. Once you make those adjustments, you're going to stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Carlton, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, the person that's on Zoom, would you please state your full name?
Caleb Franklin?
Caleb Franklin?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
hold on a minute.
Who was that?
This Caleb Franklin. Okay, Mr. Franklin, put your mic on mute. Okay, Mr. Franklin. You can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2938. Case is style of state of Texas versus Caleb Tivon Franklin. And Mr. Franklin, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Franklin?
I'm doing all right, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Franklin, you are pro se, meaning that you are representing yourself. Now, the last time that you were in court, I think that you were supposed to set up an appointment with the district attorney's office to have access to discovery. Is that
Yes, sir.
correct? Have
Yes, sir.
you have you had discovery?
I actually before since then I've actually called the courthouse and told them that I wanted to get a representation, and they told me that I was going to have one today.
Well, I'll put it like this here. I don't know who told you that, but if you wanted to get a court-appointed attorney, you would have to come into court and
Okay.
make the necessary changes on your paperwork.
Okay.
Okay, so until that happens, we can't just, we have to, because there's some paperwork that you fill out.
Okay.
You would have to fill out a judge's explanation of rights of defendants without attorney,
So
and you would have to fill out a Jefferson County affidavit of indigence. And
just
once you fill out those documents, then the proper person will determine whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
if that's what you want to do, I can reset this case to give you an opportunity to come into court to fill out that paperwork.
Yes, sir. That's what I would like to do.
Let me also inform the court and Mr. Caleb that there's been a driving while intoxicated, which was accepted into the office back on February 20th. I will have it filed by the next date, and that number is M26-0609, and that offense date is January 16th of 2025. The labs must have came in.
Oh, that's an old case.
Yeah,
January 16th of 2025?
correct. The labs had to come in on that. Must have was
Oh, okay.
GPS in the labs, just so he can be.
No, just he'll be aware. Okay.
Yes.
But in the meantime, Mr. Franklin, we're going to reset your case. Now, how much, well, put it like, let me ask you this, how soon can you come into the court? Because we can get you started on filling this paperwork out so we can make a determination as to whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
I could be there no later than Tuesday, but I'll try
Okay, so
to
we're gonna
get there
reset.
Monday. I'll try to get there Monday for sure. But
Okay, let's do this
yeah.
here. We can reset it on what about next? What about next Wednesday?
Next Wednesday, I'll be there before then. I'll try to make sure I'll be there before then.
Okay. We want to put you on a date certain so that when you come in, we'll have the paperwork ready for
Okay.
you to fill out, because on Mondays, we have a large docket. On
Okay.
Tuesday, we have an arraignment docket. And
Okay,
then on Wednesday, we have an announcement, pretrial conference docket.
okay,
So at what? Okay, we're gonna put them on Wednesday.
25th.
Yes, we're gonna put you on Wednesday, March 25th
Mhm.
of 2026,
okay.
9 a.m. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you're free to go. Stay in
Okay.
contact with your bondsman, and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome. This is cause number 24 CCCR 0888. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Lawrence Richard Jr. Mr. Richard, is that your full name? Mr. Richard, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Richard, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Richard?
Fine, good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Richard, you're represented in your case by Attorney Jack Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, how are you doing?
Just fine, Your Honor.
And Mr. Lawrence, do you waive a record in Mr. Richard's case?
Yes, Your Honor, as long as we recognize the fact this is a no contest plea and he is indigent.
Okay, now, Mr. Richard, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information is on my computer. In this information, it alleges that you, Lawrence Richard Jr., on or about May 15th of 2020, is that 2023?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on or about May 15th of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Mr. Richard, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Richard, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yeah.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Great.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Richard, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
All right, on page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, There's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have a document on paper that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Mr. Richard, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Okay, the one right you just showed me, that got Lawrence Richard the third on it, that's not my name. That's my son's name.
What has Lawrence Richard III on there?
It's like one has Lawrence Richard.
Oh, at the top. Somebody wrote that at the top. Who wrote that at the top?
Not me.
Well, this was on this.
A lot of the
No,
documents.
no. Hold on. This is Lawrence Richard Jr. My question is, okay, who filled out this portion? Okay, that was supposed to be Junior. Yeah, that's all. No, it's not changed. She just wrote in the. Okay, now, Mr. Let me do this here. Okay, now, Mr. Richard. On this document, it has Lawrence Richard Jr. Now, is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Now, before you sign and initial all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yeah.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Mhm.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Sir.
Mr. Richard, are you a citizen of the United States?
State law for States Exhibit 1.
Any objections to States Exhibit number 1, Mr. Lawrence? Any objections to States Exhibit number 1?
None, Your Honor, other than the gentleman is indigent.
Okay, no objection. States Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Lawrence, you have advised and counseled Mr. Richard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
There is evidence that he is incompetent?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
He's competent to stand trial.
Okay. Now, Mr. Richard,
Yes.
your attorney, Mr. Lawrence, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Richard, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State,
Yes,
do
Your Honor.
we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows: 180 days or 18 months probation, $300 fine, 60 hours community service, interlock, and EWI first standard terms and conditions.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Mr. Lawrence was appointed, okay. What's the court cost?
377.
377.
Once again, we object to the fine amount. Your Honor,
Mr.
Due to his.
Hey, Mr. Lawrence, hold on a minute.
All right.
Let me see. This is, what was I? That's- Okay. Okay, Mr. Lawrence.
Yes, sir.
No, I mean, Mr. Richard.
Yes.
The state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be on probation for a period of 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay huh?
370.
It was $377?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hold on a minute. I need to change that then. Hold on a minute. It's three, okay. That's it. Okay. Mr. Richard, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $377. You'll be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You will be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, urinalysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. You also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea, should a further evaluation be needed. You'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments. The total monthly installments for this probation is $160 a month. $146 a month. Are you able to pay the $146 a month?
Sure.
Okay. Now, I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. I'm gonna hand this document to your attorney, Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Jack Lawrence, could you hand that document to your client for him to review? And Mr. Richard, do you recognize that document? That's the document that you filled out in court when you first came for arraignment.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, is everything on that document still true and correct today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Richard, the court is gonna find that you're indigent, and based on the finding of indigency, the fine of $300 plus court costs of $377 will be converted to 54 hours of community service. Okay, the attorney's fees of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. So when I say waive, you don't have to pay it.
Yes.
All right. The reimbursement fee of $15 will also be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, you will be required to pay the DWI conviction fine fee of $100. The probation fee will be reduced to the statutory minimum of $25 a month. Analysis fee of $15 a month. So your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $48 a month.
Yes.
Okay? Now, you will also be required to perform 60 hours of community service in addition to the 54 hours of community service that was converted from the fine and court costs,
Yes.
which comes to a total of 114 hours of community service. You understand that? You'll also be required to install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate.
Yes.
So if you don't own or operate a vehicle, you don't have to install one. But if you own or operate a vehicle, you'd have to install an interlock on that vehicle before you could drive it. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, you will also be required to attend and complete a DWI education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Mr. Richard, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case and the findings that the court has made based on you being indigent is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept it?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Richard, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Richard, you're gonna have a seat, wait for your name to be called by the bailiff, and once your name is called by the bailiff, you'll follow the bailiff instructions, and you have a blessed day.
You too, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Lawrence, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1974. Case is Styles, State of Texas versus Stephen Lee. And Mr. Lee, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Lee? And Mr. Lee, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Donald Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Just fine, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Boudreaux, I have before me a document to is titled Motion to Withdraw as Attorney of Record. And Mr. Lee, have you received a copy of this here motion?
No.
Okay, Mr. Boudreaux, could you hand that document to Mr. Lee for him to review? And we're gonna give you some time to review that document, Mr. Lee. And when you finish reviewing, just let me know. Mr. Lee, you had an opportunity to review this motion to withdraw that was filed by Attorney Donald Boudreaux. Is that correct?
Yes,
Do you have any objections to Mr. Boudreaux withdrawing as your attorney?
no, sir.
Okay, Mr. Boudreaux, I'm granting this motion to allow you to withdraw from this case. You are relieved of your duty and responsibilities to Mr. Lee in this case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, you're free to go. This is March 20th, 2026. Now, Mr. Lee, you qualify for a court-appointed attorney,
Yes, sir.
and you still would like to be represented by a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Lee, the next attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Giles Cole. Attorney Cole will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator is going to give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Judge,
Yeah, you're free to go.
but